Yeah, I thought I'd make a little video for old YouTube here. My stone lifting tongs I built. Kind of cool. Helps you out a lot for lifting these heavy slabs up and stones for around a fire pit and all kinds of things like that. I'll give you a little show how they work. I'm by myself here this morning, so I don't have a helper, but so what I do when I'm by myself here, I just get up near the slab I want to pick up, lower them down, and you can see that they stay open, and I'll show you why. Right now I just got them on hooked to my forks. I do have like a little crane pole I made. Hold on a minute here, let me walk out in the weeds here. Alright, I'm out here in the weeds here. Here's what I got going on. I got this here. I built this like clip and it hooked onto that stainless bolt right there. That's what helps keep the jaws open. And of course, you know, I have these linkages, you know, doubled up both sides, and of course they're offset by the, you know, the two different pieces here. And I got a nice big stainless steel hook here. I got my slings on and some spacers and a nice big bolt through the middle that they pivot on. Same here, stainless bolts. And you can see I got some jaws down the bottom, and they got gussets on the back of them. They got a little bit of an angle to them, so they kind of bite. But anyhow, kind of by myself here, so it's a little hard to do this with the camera. What I do is open them up. Sorry about all the jiggling. Okay, sorry about the jiggling here, but I open them up, take that latch off, and this latch sits there on that little weld bump. And then it's nice when you got a helper, because then as they raise it up, you can guide it on a little bit better. But I'll have to shut the video off and get it lifted up so I can bite it, and then I'll turn the video back on. I didn't even have to jump back on the tractor. I started running them up. They got a hold of it like they're supposed to. And all you do is start running them up. There you go. Got a nice grip on it. And naturally, you know, you don't walk underneath the damn thing or put your fingers under anything, but you can see there how they're gripped on. You can look underneath there. Any little angles, they got some teeth on them under there. A lot of times they don't even have to go underneath. If I'm grabbing like just regular stone, natural stone, those teeth will just grab on the side. And naturally, the heavier it is, the more it grabs, right, with that scissor action. But there you go, that's how they work. Oh, my little hook just fell down. I think I might put a little bigger blob of weld on there and make it stay easier. You just kind of bend it around, but that's a little stainless hook. All right, thought you guys might enjoy that. Maybe someone else can build another set. And if someone's interested, I could probably take some dimensions and put up some dimensions or something if you're interested. I thought about it. Maybe I just give you some sizes right off. The opening on the jaws. The opening on these jaws is about, there you go, 30 on the claws. And if you go back a little deeper, you get maybe 32. Now they will open further. That's just about where the little hook grabs on there. Yeah, roughly the height from the bottom up. What do you got there? Maybe 21 inches to a little pivot point there. These arms. There you go, from pivot to pivot, about 9.5. The linkages. Let me see, center to center, 9, both sides. And it's a 1/4 inch. Like I said, it's all 1/4 inch plate. The main pieces here, where those are half, I believe. Yep, 1/2 inch thick. You see, that's just what do we got here? 1.5 inches. That 2 by 2 angle. I just cut some teeth on there. Like I say, got them on the back here, nice gussets. And actually, when I made these pieces here, they have a little cut out there, if you can see it in the bottom, where the angle actually, you know, hooks on. So it's attached well. And they got decent welds on it. So there you go. And here the eyelet. That was pretty heavy duty here, probably more than necessary. I don't know what they say, 4.5 inches tall maybe. Yeah, pivot up by 4.5. 3 inches wide. 1.5 inch opening. There you go, 1/2 inch bolt. Works real well. Like you say, if you want to open it wider, I mean like max it out here. Yeah, once those cross members go 100% open, you know, now you're looking at an opening of about 34 inches. All right, well, there you go. Hopefully somebody else helps them out. I know it saves my back, so